I am Vivek, going to present today's presentation on the topic functions of list. So let's get started. So this what is list? List in Python, a list is a kind of container that contains collections of any kinds of values. A list is a mutable data type, which means any value from the list can be changed. For the values, Python does not create a new list.
What is list? List is a standard data type of the Python in a sequence which can store a value of any kind. List is present by the square bracket. In Python, only list and dictionary are mutable data type. Rest of the other data types are immutable. Means we can make a change in a list and dictionary.
So these are some built-in functions and methods of list. So for our first function is append function. Append is function used to add single element or item at the end of list.
As you can see here, we have a list in which we add some item, just S, J, D, and P, and with the help of the append function, we can going to add P in a list. Here you can see output.
So this will be our output. And the next function is extend function. Extend is a function used to add one list at the end of another list. So here is our code. So first name of our first list is list 1 and its elements are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5.
Last X.
And the name of our second list is list 2 and its elements are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have to add this list to the first list. So first of all we have to write the variable given to the first list, list 1, and then extend function and in parenthesis list 2. Then we have to print list 1 and this will be our output.
Next, the insert function that can be used to insert an element at a specific list.
Here is the code. List 1. This is our list and defined by list 1. And in list 1, we are going to insert 5 on the 6th on 5th index number. So first of all we have to write our list name, then dot insert, and on 5th index number we have to insert 6, then print list 1, and this will be our output. This will be placed on 6th index number.
Then reverse is a reverse function in Python used to reverse the order of the element. As we see here, we create a list.
Here is our list, list 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to reverse the order of this list. So first of all write the name of list, dot reverse and blank parenthesis. Then print list 1, this will be our output. First was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but then after there will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The index function is a function in Python used to return the index of the first match item from the list. As you see here, the list we have created already.
So this is our list 1. There are 5 index number is a basic.
Last X बात मत करो.
Index number are if there are 5 elements in our list, index there will be 4 index number. It will index number starts from 0. So the first element index number will be 0, and then after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to print the index number of 4. So to print index number there is slightly different than another. Here we first insert the function and then print the list, but here we have to directly print the functions with list. So print list 1 dot index and the index and the number which index number you want to find here 4. So our output will be 0, 1, 2, 3.
Then length is a function in Python used to determine the length of the list. As you see here, we had 5 items in a list. When we use the length function, it will give the length of a list. As you can see here, 5 is our output. As we add 5 items in the list.
So sort ascending function. Sort function in Python is used to sort the item of list in ascending or descending order. First one is our ascending. Here is our code list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in ascending, the small values will be written first and greater will be at the last. So to sort, we have to write our list name dot sort function and parenthesis blank parenthesis then print list 1. This will be our output. Sort descending. Sort descending in Python used to sort item of list in descending order. Here we have smaller number were at the first and greater were at the end. But in descending, our greater will be at first and smaller at the end. So here is our code.
As the item, we have randomly put any number items in the item. You can see 1, 3, 2, 5, 4. Then we, with the help of a sort function, we print reverse is equal to 2 and print list 1. As you see, we get output in a reverse.
So clear function. Clear function is a function used to remove all items of the list. Here is our list 1, 1, 3, 2, 4 list, and to clear all elements of the list, list 1 dot clear function blank parenthesis print list 1 and our output will be blank list. So our last function is count function, which is used to count how many times an element has occurred in a list and returns it.
As we see here, we put some elements, so items in the list. We repeat also some 5.
So 5 is repeated in this list. So we have to count how many times 5 is repeated in the list. Print list dot count function parenthesis in parenthesis bracket 5, and our 5 has repeated 2 times in this list. So our output will be 5. So here we completed our presentation, and thanks Mr. Vasa for guiding us.